Hello, 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 how's it going? We're Mumford Sons, we're very pleased to see you in this beautiful place. Look, we're going to play some songs you don't know, so we'll require some of your patience. And then if you're really well behaved, we might play you one or two that you might know. But we're going to start you with a song called I'll Tell You Everything. I was a bank robber, then I was Superman. For a time I was a ghost. Prepare a face to meet the faces that you meet, and tell me which you love the most. And in the end I'll tell you everything, even if it keeps you awake. But by the end you'll know me for everything, how far I've been before I break. I'm your queen and I'm your worst nightmare, but sometimes I'm a dream. And I'm returning like a broken Mercury, and then I'm wings on your feet. And in the end I'll tell you everything, even if it keeps you awake. But by the end you'll know me for everything, how far I've been before I break. Do you ever feel like we should run away again? Shall we drive on till we're tired? Put roses round my neck and then whisper the truth to me. Will I see you still tomorrow? How much is too much, babe? Here's all I owe and what'll drive you away. How much is too much, babe? Help me to learn from my mistakes, and in the end I'll tell you everything, even if it keeps you awake. But by the end you'll know me for everything, how far I've been before I break. And in the end I'll tell you everything, I'm sorry if it keeps you awake. But by the end you'll know me for everything, how far I've been before